Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and you're doing really good. Today, right now, we are on our way to our school. Today is Sunday and it's almost 11. It's almost 11. And we are going to our school to get our exam sheets back. As you know, a few days ago our exams were going on, that's why we couldn't post much video, but our exams are finally over. And right now we're getting our marks, so I hope it's pretty good. I hope it's good, and our parents are happy with the marks. Anyway, let's see. So we are done. We are just coming back after getting our marks. And guess what? Our marks are really good. So we got really good marks, especially my parents are really happy. So my Ammu said that she's going to make special food for us as a treat. So right after we came home, she started cooking all the stuff. As you can see, 3 pans or 3 stoves and 3 dishes. Amazing. So let's wait. This is our lunchtime, and as you can see, she's cooking it for us. I am so excited because who isn't? It's a treat because we scored good marks, and also we'll be going out after we're done. And also, my one was trying to cleaning our table so that we can be organized. And then after she had done cleaning, we started with our lunch as all the food was ready. Just by looking at it, you can get to know that it's delicious. Plus delicious. And like I told you, we had to get more gates. So here we are going to the beach. If you know us, we love beaches. So it was super exciting for us to go to the beach. This beach is 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿 beach, and we went at the exact right time. It was the time when the sun was setting and the environment was really cool as it's not summer anymore. It's winter time, and the cool breeze was there near the sea, near the ocean. And we just sat there and waited for some time, enjoying the air. After that, you could also see the sun. It was almost setting. And after that, we started playing with the sand and everything. The ocean was really good to view, but at night time maybe it's more better, but this beach will just be closed after a few minutes. But that's fine. We enjoyed ourselves, and after this we also went shopping. My Ammu and told that we can go for shopping, so we just stayed there for 1 hour because it was about to close. We didn't knew that, but that's okay because we enjoyed ourselves. So many people were still swimming, but I didn't be prepared actually to come to the beach today. So I was just taking some videos and editing them, and my Mono started playing with the sand near her. She just gathered all the sand around and she was not at all interested because she was busy building a pyramid, I guess. It's literally impossible to build it, but that's fine because after this we went shopping and we bought so many stuff. Today's day is really good. I was actually excited about yesterday because I am always excited when I get my marks, and today is really good because I got good marks, and even my Bunu got good marks. So we both are really happy. We bought so many stuff from during shopping, all the necessaries. We also bought our dinner that my Bunu was wanting. She wanted to eat it, so my parents just bought it. They bought biryani for us. But that's all for today. I hope you like it. I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye. Ma salama.